you can see, the powder has turned out fine. You can sieve it if needed for a smoother texture. Store in an airtight container and use within 10 to 15 days to prevent mold. Beetroot powder is great for skincare. It gives a natural glow. You can use it in DIY face mask or as a natural blush or to make lip balm. Always do a patch test before use. Avoid it if you have sensitive skin. You can watch my DIY beetroot lip balm video, link in the description box. Thank you for watching.